What is up? The past 3 weeks have been all UFC cards. Today we are shifting gears. We are opening the 2023 Topps pack. There's 16 cards in each. I've got 2 today, so let's see what we've got. Personally, I'm hoping for some Tigers players. Detroit Tigers fan. It was fun to watch their run last year. A Riley Green rookie card would be pretty cool. Got a Sean Murphy. Yasmani Grandal, who would be rough to be a White Sox fan. Yandy Diaz. Not as bad as the Rockies, though. They've been struggling. Two team cards. This is a pretty cool card. Teoscar Hernandez. Rony Garcia. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. 2022 greatest hits, Mookie Betts. Mookie Betts is a phenomenal athlete. It's insane. He's even good at bowling. Speaking of good at bowling, before I reveal this, well, it's Wander Franco, but Logan Gath, probably one of my top fans on these openings. He is a killer bowler. I've never seen him do it, but so a little self-proclaimed, but from what I've heard, amazing bowler. It's a cool Wander Franco card. Just shout out to Logan Gath for a second. Tim Anderson. He keeps things interesting at the White Sox. Enjoy. All right, pack 2 of 2 for today. I liked what I got in that first pack, especially with the Mookie Betts card. Here, let me zoom out a little bit for you guys. There you go. Gene Hauser, Kyle Riley. Look at that. A rookie Riley Green card. Just what I wanted. That is awesome. Riley Green, I'm not sure if he's like really well known. He's just look him up. He's a underrated outfielder, if I say so myself. I mean, I'm a Tigers fan. Pretty much every player I like is underrated. It's a cool card right there. Bryce Harper. That's a pretty cool card. Say what you want about Bryce Harper. He's a great player. Carlos Rodon. Duran. Mountcastle. So there's the 2 packs for the day. Let me pull out my 2 favorite cards. It's obviously going to be the Riley Green. Again, if you don't know him, do some research on that guy. But this Mookie Betts card, that one right there, is awesome. Get a quick zoom in for you guys. All these videos are shot on iPhone. But there's the first week of baseball cards. I'll catch you later.